Hey there, writers. Are you tired of hustling to make ends meet? Well, I've got some good news for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate passive income using ChatGPT. That's right. With these 5 easy steps, you can earn money while you sleep. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Step 1. Create content for Medium. If you love writing about various topics, why not create content for Medium? With ChatGPT's assistance, you can easily create engaging and informative articles that will attract readers. Research what topics are being talked about the most using Google Trends, then take a look on Medium to see what other types of content are being created around that. Take one idea and iterate on it slightly. Take the outline concept and change an element of it, so it's a new and unique idea. Then ask ChatGPT to brainstorm for you. Medium offers a partner program that pays writers for their content based on the engagement and readership their articles receive. Step 2. Write SEO-optimized blogs. Blogging is a great way to showcase your writing skills and generate passive income. With ChatGPT's help, you can create SEO-optimized blogs that rank high on search engines and generate organic traffic. First, ask ChatGPT to write blog titles, then take the blog title and ask it to write a blog based on the chosen keyword and the title. Set the word count as needed. You can monetize your blog with ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Step 3. Write and publish topical books on Amazon KDP. If you have a topic that you're passionate about, why not write a book and self-publish it on Amazon KDP? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing enables you to self-publish anything in minutes. Ask ChatGPT to write a book on popular topics such as AI. Ask it to think of a book title and the chapters within the book. Then publish it all on Amazon. You can earn $1K/month passively doing this without much effort. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can create a high-quality book that readers will love. Once published, you can earn passive income from book sales without any ongoing effort. Step 4. Create and sell templates, resumes, business plans, etc. If you're skilled in creating templates for resumes, business plans, or other documents, you can sell them online. Ask ChatGPT to write templates for documents people often need but don't have the knowledge to write themselves. Use Canva or another tool to add some design in there and publish on Etsy using keyword optimization to get it to the top. With ChatGPT's help, you can create professional-looking templates that will attract customers. You can sell your templates on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Step 5. Print on demand. Print on demand is a great way to turn your writing into passive income. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or other merchandise. Once you upload your designs to a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble or Teespring, use ChatGPT to come up with 20 inspiration quotes, then use Canva to create a simple design on a royalty-free stock image. This takes no more than 10 minutes and can make you a ton of money every month if you get the SEO right. Connect this with a print-on-demand service and sell on Etsy as a poster. You can earn passive income from every sale made. So, there you have it. 5 easy ways to generate passive income using ChatGPT. With these tips, you can turn your writing skills into a steady source of income. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.